Follow this step-by-step video right to the end where I share an interesting design technique used on this vehicle. Let's dive in. The bonnet release lever is located below the lower dash panel on the right hand side. Then pull the release latch upwards to release the bonnet. We follow normal procedure by disconnecting the negative terminal first, followed by the positive terminal. You'll need a 10mm socket for this. I used a 12 spanner to remove the nuts on the hold down bracket, but if you have an extended socket this would make the job a lot easier. The wires you see in the video connected to the hold down bracket is for an external charger, so these are not standard on the vehicle. Then finally, to remove the battery, we'll need to remove the resonance chamber, and for this you'll need a set of pliers to release the tension on the clamp, and then it just pulls straight out. Stick around to the end so you can find out what a resonance chamber does. Installation is just a reverse procedure of the removal. We'll start with mounting the hold down bracket loosely and then move over to the positive terminal, followed lastly by the negative terminal. Also, when connecting the terminals, never use a hammer or excessive force to connect the terminals. Rather use a flat screwdriver, as seen here, to pry open the ends of the terminal while pushing down on it. After all the connections are made, go ahead and start the engine. You might find that the idling is slightly irregular after a battery change, but this is due to the ECU that needs a bit of drive time to relearn all the idling parameters. As mentioned earlier in the video, the resonance chamber is used primarily to enhance engine performance. It optimizes the airflow into the engine by reducing turbulence. The chamber contributes to better combustion, leading to increased efficiency and power output, and it helps modulate engine noise, creating a more pleasant sound profile during operation.